In this video, I'm going to show you how you can adjust volume in Filmora. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and add your audio on the audio timeline. So I've just added mine here. Then go ahead and select the audio track. And if I
new
play
CRM
it,
can feel a bit like walking.
you can hear that is the current volume. To adjust this volume, go ahead and click on this edit button here, and it will take you to basic audio settings. And among the settings here, if you scroll up here, you can see we have volume. So to reduce the volume, go ahead and move it backward, and to increase the volume, go ahead and move it in front. And now I've increased the volume, and listen in.
Into a massive control.
Just too loud. If I want to reduce, I'll take it back and listen in.
Screens.
It is too low. Alternatively, you can also adjust the volume using this line here on the audio. If you click on it, you can adjust it up and down depending on your interest by just moving this line up and down like that on the audio track. So that's how you can adjust your audio in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.